Okay,
Okay.
I was walking in Dubai and I meet
Stefano.
Stefano.
Yes.
He works for
Armani.
Armani. He's a
yes.
designer.
I'm a designer for the company.
And
I
you-
meet this very gentleman. We are neighborhood, you know, so they look like Italian. That's why.
Yeah,
I
he
think
told me I'm Italian, but not. I'm Croatian, but we are the same people.
we are brothers.
Yeah, we are brothers.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
so you want to say something else?
Super.
Super.
Viva Croatia.
Cool, man.
Viva Croacina.
Croatina,
Yeah.
Hrvatska.
Croatia.
Croatia. It's on
Bellissima.
bellissima. Okay. Ručak kao u Starbucksu i evo napisao mi čovjek krešu.
Wait, don't stop with you. I'm not stop. Wait.
Wait, come on.
Yalla.
Oh, you're fresh. So.
Döndürme.
Oh, oh, oh,